Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to uninstall plugins in Roblox Studio. Firstly, we need to navigate to the search panel of Windows. In here, we'll type Roblox Studio. Now click on Open. After that, go to My Games. Now you can select any game because all of your games share the same plugins. So click on any game. After that, wait for the game to load properly, then click on the Plugins tab. In here, click on Manage Plugins. Now you'll see 3 dots beside each plugin. Now click on it and then click on Uninstall the plugin you want to uninstall. You can also disable a plugin by clicking the green switch beside them. You can also enable them by clicking it again, and they'll turn on automatically. That's it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.